Assalamu alaikum. This video is of my chicken coop in my backyard. So I have made it by myself. This little thing, I bought myself, but there are many things which I made myself. So it was just a coop, and I made it again. And now you are watching the dough is here. First there it was there, and this is another compartment for the sand bath, and they can move around, and as well it will save my chickens from the predators. So this is 2 meters long and 1 meter wide and 1 meter high, so they can easily surfing around. So this is the new door which I made myself. It is a sliding door, so there it is. So for this you don't have to go inside, and from here you can also open and shut down. It will be very necessary for the winter season, so the chicken can be safe from winter. So it is it's a compartment for laying eggs, this one, and this one which is inside, it's the sleeping compartment or sleeping room, you can say. So I'm going to open it. So this door I've made myself because I cannot pass through this door myself. That's why I made a bigger one. So plenty of food and fresh water, it's here, and my children put grass also over there, and it's a ramp for chicken to come out, and this is the door. So we will check first. The first thing in the morning, we have to check for the eggs. Do they have eggs? Or so we have some eggs here, and beautiful chickens. They want to come out, and they must be. So we have 2 beautiful eggs. One is bigger. This one is from this chicken, this white one, and it lays normally double yolk egg. I think so, because I cannot see what's happening inside, but I think that it's probably this chicken lays double yolk egg. So now this one is bigger. I think I last week found bigger than that, and I thought that it may come in a Guinness Book of World Record. I've seen in computer, but it's a little bit smaller than that. So can you take this bigger? And now I'm going inside to open the door. So there is also another door for the other room for sand bath and free loft. So there you are. And this, I want to put a motor in it, but I haven't yet. Some other time. So there is a door. I will demonstrate it later. Okay, now we're gonna open the door. Can you do me a favor, Mohammed Ahmed? Can you push this? Can you do me a favor to open the door? So there, one, Layla, this is Beauty, this is Rani, this is Zulekha, and this is Buri. So these are beautiful 5 chickens. They are, obviously they are hungry. They want to eat something. So beautiful chickens, healthy, bright colors, and they are enjoying their food now. So early in the morning, they are always hungry. So I will demonstrate this door also. So this is the rope. I put it, and by pulling this rope, we got open this door. So I pull this up and little bit more. It's open completely, and I clip it over here, so the door won't go down by itself. So there is a lot of grass, and Emma wants to demonstrate something else. Emma, do you want to demonstrate something? Do you want to do something? Willst du was machen?
Ja.
Was willst du machen? Wo ist Rani? Rani, there is Rani. Zulekha? There is Zulekha. And Laila? Whoa, the white Walil. The white one is Laila. Yeah. And this one is Beauty. So first they are hungry and they want to eat something. And this one is Buri. Yeah, Laila. So. Die ist Laila. Dein Laila, oder?
Nein,
Bika's Laila. Okay. So we are going to shut down this door. And this one is the outer compartment. We can also demonstrate this one. So I can open it here. I can also open it here. Very easy. And now we can open it here. So anybody can walk inside. So it's open now, and the door is there. And we have a rooster also. Ab morgen? Bist du ein Gockelhahn? Nee, du bist Ahmad. Okay. So these are my beautiful chickens eating around, and obviously they don't pass their whole day in this coop. Obviously they go also out, and we have plenty of space here to move around for chickens, and we can also move around. This is my backyard, and there is a beautiful lake behind this. So you can have water over here, but it is sometimes when it's rainy season, it's a little bit dangerous for children to come over here. So the chickens are here. Come. Oh. Come. Oh. No, they are hungry first. They will have their food and then they will come out. Right now they don't want to come out. So this is the chicken coop. Okay, guys, see you later. Till next time. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.